Hi everybody. I just thought I'd use the first page of the syllabus here to illustrate the outcomes we're shooting for, at least I'm shooting for, at the end of the course. I've got 5 objectives listed here, but I've highlighted the ones that kind of want to focus on here. The first one, become familiar with managerial accounting terminology and concepts. I spoke to several of you in the last few days about my preference for I want you to be able to talk the talk when you get done with a course. Whether it's a cost concept, a revenue concept, a managerial accounting concept that you might be discussing in the workplace in the future, I want you to be familiar with the background of that concept, the meaning of the concept, and how it's used in the business world. The second one I have highlighted here, become proficient at choosing the proper tools and models to be used in various managerial settings. It's not enough just to be able to talk the talk. When you've got a managerial decision to make, we need to know what tools are available and more specifically which tool best fits that particular decision. And then finally, because objective 2 and 4 kind of relate to 1 and 3, I want you to be proficient in Microsoft Excel when you finish the course. And you're not going to be proficient in all the tools in Excel, certainly, but we're going to hone in on some of the key ones, particularly if-then analysis, conditional formatting, for instance. But Microsoft Excel has become so important in most business settings that I have added that as an objective in all my courses. Finally, down here at the bottom of this course objectives paragraph on the syllabus, it says skills in critical and analytical thought along with problem solving will be emphasized over mere rote learning. Now, the mission of the college is one in which we are focused on analytical and innovative thinking. The joke is that accountants aren't going to get too innovative in their thought, but we can certainly be analytical in our thought. And what this has to do with is breaking down a problem into manageable parts and determining from those parts the best methodology to attack that problem and to solve it.